Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find fixer-upper homes on Zillow. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the search bar and then type the city, neighborhood or zip code where you want to find a home. You can also filter by property type, example single family home, townhouse, etc. Use keywords to narrow down search like fixer upper, handyman special, needs TLC, renovation project, as is. Now next is to apply filters for condition and prices. Set a lower price limit to find homes that are priced lower than average, one indicating they need work. Although Zillow doesn't have a specific filter for fixer upper, you can look at the property descriptions to determine if they need repairs. Homes built a long time ago may require more updates and repairs. Larger homes need renovation, so use square footing filters accordingly. Next is to explore listing and descriptions. Read the listing details, look for the photos and the price reductions as well. Use Zillow's map feature and then contact the listing agent. If you find a home that might be a fixer-upper, reach out to the listing agent for more details about the property condition. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.